To assemble your SegriScreen, first take the side bars and slot the bottom ends into the wheelbases, ensuring the bolt holes line up with the holes in the wheelbases. The wheelbases have protruding side brackets to fix adjacent screens, and these should face outwards on both sides. Screw in the 2 bolts with washers on each side and tighten them using a spanner. Please note, if you have purchased a master screen, as is shown here, this will just have 2 wheelbases, one for each side. If you have purchased an additional screen, this will just have 1 wheelbase, with the other side slotting into the adjacent screen. Next, take the bottom horizontal bar and use 2 bolts to fix this between the corner brackets. The bolt should go through the long, oblong holes in the corner brackets. It's important to only screw the bolts in part way at this stage to allow for screen tensioning later. Then take the top horizontal bar and do the same for the top of the screen, ensuring the hooks are facing forwards with the tips of the hooks facing down. Again, screw in a bolt part way in each corner to hold the bar in place. Remove the packaging around the hooks on the top bar and spread these out along the bar approximately equidistantly from each other. Take the SegriScreen cover, wrapping the material over the top of the frame and placing the hooks through the eyelets along the top. Then hook the screen material along the side bars, with 1 hook per eyelet down each side. You will notice that one side has a larger flap than the other to overlap with adjacent screens that you may connect. Finally, once all hooks are in place, tension the screen by pulling the side bars outwards so that the metal tabs at the end of the horizontal bars click into the slots in the top and bottom corner brackets. Using a spanner, tighten up the bolts in all 4 corners to secure the frame. And that's it! Simply attach additional screens to your master screen as required and you're all good to go.